Today we're going to change our oil pressure sensor. I already changed this. I changed it about a year ago. I got it. It went out fairly quickly. I bought this part at Napa. It was $60. I bought a new part. It says it's Mopar. I don't know. I don't really know if it's any different than the other one. It looks like the numbers are all the same. No idea. This was $60 at Napa. This is only, I think I paid $32 for it. So these are the tools that I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you how this is done. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put those parts up here so they're out of the way, and then we're going to take this noise shield off, glamour cover shield, we'll pull that off. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to find your battery here on the right. You're going to come to the right side of the vehicle, and then you're going to come over the top, and we're going to go down here. Now that you're on the right side, you're going to come across the back of the battery here. You're going to shoot down. You're going to see these wires with the heat shield on them way down here, and you're going to come forward into those, and so that's the direction you're going to go. But I'm going to come back to the side here so I can reach my hand in. Got it? I don't know, follow my hand. So we're coming in here, and you're going to see, so you're going to see this little black wire here. It's wiggling. I'm going to follow that. You're actually going to feel the rounded as you go in, and you'll follow that to the base. And what you're going to end up feeling for is you're going to feel for the rounded part of this pressure sensor. You can see it's not typical. It's got rounded edges on it, so you're going to feel for that. So you're virtually just going to come in here, slide your hand down and in, feel the rounded. Once you feel the rounded, you're going to feel the little connector attached to it. You're going to come back to the end. There's a little tab on that. You'll push down with your thumb, and you'll put your fingers towards where the connection is, and it meets up with the sensor. So you're going to push down on the tab that's connected here. You'll put your fingers up here, and you're going to pull back with these two fingers. So push down, and then you're going to pull back to release. We'll stick our hands in, and it just takes a second. Push down, pull back, and we have that released. So again, we're pushing here and pulling back. There is a safety switch here as well. You may have to switch over. So when this is in, push it over. So here we have it. I'll show you how this goes in. So it's pushed in. When it's connected, you're going to push here, and then you're going to have your two fingers in there, and you'll pull out. Okay? This is a two-part switch, so if it's out like that, you're pulling, you'll notice you can't get it. You're going to have to go in there, push that red piece to the right, and then you'll push, and then it will pull off. So now that we have that, we're going to put our hand in there, make sure we can feel the top of that. Okay, there it is. And then we're going to take it's a special socket. It's rounded, it's deep socketed, and it's set up so that this rounded edges will fit in there. If you have a squared off socket, it won't work. So we're going to put this in there. Okay, so we have our extension and our socket on there now. And we're just going to go, this is the standard thread, so you're just going to back it up normally. Okay, so it feels like it loosened up. Yep, it's laying there. So we're going to pull it off. And then as you can see, we do have some oil here. And so we're going to replace this. So now we're going to take our new one. I'm going to come in here, and you're going to feel with your pointer finger first. You'll feel where it goes. You're just going to set it there, and you're going to hand tighten just to get it started. You want to make sure it's not cross-threaded. It's threading smoothly. We want to make sure that it's going smooth before we do anything. Put that socket on it. We're just going to put this on. You can see the part right here, so it's down in there. So you can see it right there. So we've got that, and we're going to screw that in. I put the socket in. Now I'm putting my extension on. Make sure, take your time to make sure you get your socket in all the way. So the socket had a hard time. There's some hoses and stuff down there, so you want to make sure that that socket's fitting over the metal brass portion. And then we're just going to put our extension on here. Tighten this up. And again, we want this tight. We don't want to over tighten it. You can see this is brass, and we're just I want to seat it so that it's snug. And from there, now we're just going to simply remove this. This socket gets in there kind of tight, so you're really going to have to wiggle away. And so we're going to pop that socket out. There. I'm just going to take this clip. So now we take the clip and we're going to push it back on, and we're going to push till we hear it click. There, I heard a click. And then you can slide that second safety latch over, and then you're done. So we didn't unscrew anything else. We're just going to put our... Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.